Unanimous decisions from the Supreme Court today, with the 9 justices weighing in on a Mexican lawsuit against U.S. gun manufacturers and a case of reverse discrimination in the workplace. CBS News' Bradley Blackburn reports.
A unanimous Supreme Court decision says that discrimination is discrimination, no matter the plaintiff. The case centers on an Ohio woman, Marlene Ames, who claimed she didn't get a promotion with the state's Department of Youth Services and was then demoted because she is straight. Ames said she lost those positions to 2 gay employees.
Thought, okay, well, there's something more at play here.
About a third of the country's federal courts, including Ohio's, had required people filing suit to prove a pattern of historical discrimination, a burden non-minority groups can't always show. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson wrote the opinion saying, quote, by establishing the same protections for every individual without regard to that individual's membership in a minority or majority group, Congress left no room for courts to impose special requirements on majority group plaintiffs alone.
You're not going to have to prove more in order to try and continue with your case. You walk in there and you're on the same footing as anybody else.
The High Court also sided unanimously with top American gun manufacturers, tossing out a $10 billion lawsuit from Mexico seeking to hold gun makers responsible for cartel crimes committed outside the U.S. Justice Elena Kagan wrote the lawsuit does not pinpoint, as most aiding and abetting claims do, any specific criminal transactions that the defendants allegedly assisted.
This isn't a Second Amendment case. We're talking about a statute that generally shields gun manufacturers.
A lower court had let the case proceed under an exception that has been used in other landmark lawsuits like the Sandy Hook massacre. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.